Alright, I'm opening this Bowman Platinum pack. And earlier my brother pulled some good rookies in a cool auto.
Wait, should I show
It
you
was
the
like
auto?
crazy. Here, we'll show you it right now. Right here. Dominic Fletcher auto out of 99. It was pretty good. He also pulled like Gavin Lux and Kyle Lewis. Alright, let's get into this.
Let's go.
Alright. I think the box is really cool. Bowman Platinum. I think I'm going to keep the box, maybe even the pack. Alright, let's go. Jorge Soler. Jose Ramirez. Who is that? Nick Senzel. Okay. Luis Robert. Holy. Freddie Freeman. Joey Votto. Justin Verlander. Pete Alonso. Matt Chapman. Mike Yastrzemski. Nicholas Castellanos. Oh. Okay, we'll keep that there. Jackson Routledge. Okay, we're getting into the greens. Okay. No idea who this guy is. Tim Cate. Ooh, okay. Nick Solak re-owned out of 250. Rookie. It's pretty nice.
Sin.
Kendall Williams. I'm pretty sure all these guys are like young guys who aren't in the majors yet. Bo Naylor. Jordell. Shea Langella. Aaron Chunk. Whoa, why is that purple?
Yeah, I got some.
Never mind. Ryan Jensen. Brett Batty. CJ Abrams. Hogan Harris. And Anthony Volpe. So here.
Could you show him the cards that I got?
So we're going to take an overview of these cards. We're going to see probably. So those rookie Bowmans, I don't really know who they are. I think this Jensen guy's kind of good though. Ryan Jensen. Wow, he had a 12-1 record. That's really good in college. Aaron Shink, no idea who that is. Shea Langeliers, I have no idea who that is. Oh, Jodell, that's a good card. Not quite familiar with this guy. Kendall Williams, not familiar with him. But this Nick Solak, that's pretty good. Out of 250. Tim Cate, it's great. I mean, it's numbered. Nothing amazing though. Jackson Rutledge, is he in the majors? He's in the minors. I guess that's kind of good. Nick Castellanos, I guess. Luis Robert, good card. Then Bo Naylor. Not sure who that guy is, but why is the color? I don't know, but all right. Now we're gonna look at these. Mike Yastrzemski, Matt Chapman, Pete Alonso, Justin Verlander, Joey Votto, Freddie Freeman, Jorge Soler, Jose Ramirez, Nick Senzel. So didn't get a lot of good cards. definitely not as good as my brother, but these 6 cards or whatever, pretty good. Luis Robert, that's a good hit. Nick Castellanos, I mean, Jackson Rutledge, I mean, Tim Cate, numbered and all. Rookie Nick Solak, he's a good player and all. I might send this card to him for him to autograph it, because my friend has autographed it. The guy has got an autograph from him. And Joe Adele. Well, that's about it. Didn't love it. My brother really liked it though.
Yeah.
I mean, this Nick Solak card's pretty good.
This Gavin Lux card is pretty good.
I like this card. I really do. Nick Solak's a good player. Yeah, that's about probably the end of the video. Alright, bye.